Hey guys, it's Kara. You know what time it is. If you're looking at me like this, it's time to show you the giveaway for 200 subscribers. So I'm going to turn the camera around and show you most of it. First off, we have an IT Cosmetics blush contour highlight. And then I've got some more of the Coty Airspun and another one of the little lipstick bags. And we've got some charcoal wipes. And then we got some Strivectin for your face. And then this is L'Oreal. And this right here is nail polishes. And then right here we have a bunch of Wet n Wild. So we've got some glitter, kind of glitter, loose glitter, mineral foundation, and then there's 3 more. And then we have some ColourPop, and then we have some stuff for your hair. We got e.l.f. foundation, Sonia Kashuk. We have some hangover primer. I have some these are so pretty. The NYX Ultimate Matte and Shimmer. Oh, I think they're so pretty. And then, you know, back there we have some samples. And then we have some Ahava Mineral Body Lotion. And we've got some matte lipstick and some Rimmel for to keep your lips hydrated. And I've got a Kiss complete brow set, and it comes with the little stencils. And then I've got a Pixie strobe and bronze, so I've got that. And then we have some masks back here. We have got a mask applicator and a mask. And then up here I've got this. Now this right here is a foot file, and I have one of these, and I absolutely love it. See how big it is? I love it. I've got some hair ties right there for if you want to make your hair pretty, and they're all blue. And there's a good picture of Tinkerbell getting ready to walk all over everything. I hope you all will enjoy this, and I love every single one of you. Thank you for helping me and supporting me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.